Hello everybody! We all share something in common, like names. Noun is nothing but names. Yes, now let me tell you about different kinds of nouns. Sit back and pay attention. Just remember, name, place, animal, things and ideas. Before we begin, proper nouns. Names of boys, girls, men and women. For example, Ruby, Arya, Sam and Meena are proper nouns. Names of places and location. India, United States of America and Joy School are proper nouns. Names of things. For example, I read a Bal Bharti book, so Bal Bharti is the brand name. I ride a Hero cycle, so Hero is the brand or company name and therefore a proper noun. Name of ideas or events. For example, we lit diyas on Diwali. We got presents on Christmas. So here, Christmas and Diwali are proper nouns. Quiz time! Identify the proper nouns from the following phrases. Kia loves to go to school. Kia is the proper noun here. She loves to go to Joy School. Joy School is the proper noun here. Kia carries a camel pencil. Here camel is the proper noun as it refers to a specific brand name. She celebrates Teachers' Day at school. Here Teachers' Day is the proper noun. Amazing work! Now share this proper noun lesson with your friends.